Okay, so this is the path what we need to do now. That is become a developer. So why we need to do? The Salesforce ecosystem is growing and it's expected to create 0.5 million jobs in India by 2025, as I mentioned before. And why? To supplement your education with Salesforce skills and differentiate yourself in the job market and benefit from the knowledge and experience of our Trailblazer community. Build your skills and personal brand in the Salesforce ecosystem and prepare for interviews with job readiness activities and mentorship opportunities. So these are all the five trail mixes. In this trailhead, the trail mix is nothing but a group of badges which contain a similar meaning. Like if you click on this first trail mix, here are set of badges where you need to do the each badge. As mentioned before, this is a module and each module contains some set of units. After completing a unit, you will earn a badge. So this unit contains like some descriptive matter where you need to answer quiz. If you answer the quiz, you will earn the points. In similar way, there might be a challenges also to perform. Like if you take the next batch, here there are some of the steps which we need to do, and it is a challenge where we have to perform in the org. So I will tell you how to create an org and all. So like this, there are six trail mixes. First trail mix just says the basic about what is Salesforce and what are the things what we can do using Salesforce. And second trail mix that is customization. It says about customization. That is all the apps are inbuilt. Just we need to configure the things. And in this trail mix, we have a super badge. Super badge is nothing but here it consists of a daily use case where you need to perform a task. The difference between the normal badge and super badge is, see here, there is only use case and what we need to perform. Just they will give information about what we need to do only. But when we come to a normal badge, see here you can see each and every step where to go and what to do. Like for example, they said create the project status field. Click this and every setup and go to object manager. Click on object manager, select battle station, select fields and relationship. See, every step is there in the normal batch. But whereas when you go to super batch, there will be no steps, only the information what to do. And the super you can do the super batch only when you complete all the four badges. So by learning all these four badges, you are able to do this super batch. And yeah, there will be some challenges. Next, coming to the third trial mix, it says about security. What are the securities you can provide to your Trailhead account or a Salesforce platform? Here also it consists of a super batch security specialist. And to unlock this, you need to do the three badges. Next trial mix says about automation. Automation is nothing but without writing any code, just to automate the things using some process builder and flow builder. It also consists of a super batch. And fifth trial mix is about Apex. The only coding language we use in this is Apex. It is similar to Java and its functions are also like Java only. Like here also there is a super batch and Visual Force is nothing but it is like HTML where you can build app pages. And the last trail mix that is about APIs where you can link Salesforce with other party apps to get objects or anything. And in this module, it consists of overview of PD1. PD1 is nothing but Platform Developer 1 certification and exam guide and study guide of the platform developer. After completing all the six trail mixes, we have one more two trail mix about soft skills trail mix. Here you can see about public speaking skills and storytelling. and to innovate our soft skills. And last one is Trailblazer Connect mentorship. You need to apply to this mentorship only when you complete all the 5 trail mixes. This mentorship is nothing but Salesforce itself gives a mentor to us who is an expert in the Salesforce and working in Salesforce for some time, like who have experience in Salesforce to 5 to 6 years. So here you can would apply, and these are the instructions. And last one is career events. Salesforce gives some events like Ohana, as mentioned. Ohana Meet is nothing but a Salesforce which connect employers and HRs together. So here are some of the events, and these are the recent events which have been completed. Some of the events will be there to participate. So this is all about the trail mixes and what we need to do. So let us know how to start it. So firstly, we need to have an account. So to create an account, we go to trailhead.salesforce.com. See, this is the learning platform. It's free to learn. And here you could see some roles like administrator, developer, sales manager, marketing manager, technical assistant, business analyst, and much more. And if you pick up a role, like if we are CS, we will take Salesforce developer, and the related badges regarding the developer will be there. And learning in demand, like these are some of the skills like reports and dashboard, Amazon, like Alexa, and app lifecycle, GitHub. These are all some of the skills where you can learn. And certifications, like if you want to become a developer certification, you need to complete this trail mix where it consists all the things about the developer and administrator, technical. Now how to create an account in it. So firstly, we need to sign up. Click on sign up and click on Google. So take your Google account and log into your Google account. See, here you need to give your first name and last name, and profile URL is nothing but your journey in the Salesforce, like what are the trail mixes and what are the trails you have done in the trailhead, and if you have any certification, what are the super badges you have done. If you have any LinkedIn profile, you can link to it. And this profile URL should be like your name. Like if say it's my name, Harsha, it should be like simply my name, and it should be in public. Only if it is public, only all others can view your profile. So click on next. Profile is, so you need to check whether the profile is available or not. So available profile, and it should be your name. And company name, it might be a name of your college, and ours is Onyx. And role, as we are students, it is student. And relation to Salesforce, non-customer prospect. And country, India. State, Andhra Pradesh. And by checking this check box, click done. So now with good new trailhead account will be creating. So new trailhead account is created. So if you want to view your profile, like here at the right side corner, you can see avatar. Click on that, and there you can see a profile. Click on the profile, and this is your profile ID. If anyone asks for your profile, you just copy this link, and if you search on this link, you could see your profile. And this is the profile as we have done no badges. So the trailhead gives some ranks also, like you could see like scout with 0 badges, hiker, explorer, adventurer, mountaineer, expeditioner, and ranger ranks. And depending upon the badges and the points, you get the ranks. Now, how to do a badge, like how to earn a badge. So if you go to Trailhead Basics, which is in Trail Mix, and we'll get started with Trailhead, first unit, and we'll be watching this video and reading the points. As there is no challenge, we'll just answer the quiz like who is Trailhead for everyone, and what is the one reason to win this team in no matter who cares. What is Trailhead Precon in org? So just by answering the quizzes, and you will be going to the next unit. In the similar way, you need to complete all the badges. So coming back to the this trial mix. So now we have created an account. So how to do the badges? Like we'll go to this and we'll click on follow. If you click on follow, it is clear to that the Salesforce people that we are performing this trail mix, and you need to click this and complete the unit. Once you complete unit, again you have to go back to this and click on the trail mix and do the next batch. If you think it's tough, I have a solution to it. As before you click follow, you could see all the trail mixes what you're following. In learn and go to trail mixes. Here you could see that what are the trail mix you followed and the progress. Like in the similar way, you need to go to second trail mix and click on follow, and you can see the trail mix here. Follow trail mix. In similar way, you need to follow all the trail mixes so that once you complete the badges, just you can go to learn and trail mixes and see in the progress and complete that trail mix. So this is how you need to learn. So I'll build an app. So to build an app, we need to have a developer account. So first we need to create a developer account. To create developer account, we need to sign up for developer.salesforce.com. So click on sign up and enter your name and your email address and job role like developer. The company name is Anix. And you need to choose a username which is unique, like and click on sign me up. I think it's already used. So there will be a email received to you. So check your emails. So here is the email. Verify account. You need to set a password. Answer a security question like city. So this is a developer account where we build our app. Here are some of those. There are different tools here. Like when you go to left plane, like administrator, platform, and settings, and these are the tools. So to build an app, so now we are going to build an app for a